Hello everyone, you're welcome back. For those of you seeing me for the first time, I am CCS Apparel. Thank you for always stopping by. Your comments, your thumbs ups, I really appreciate them all. In today's edition, I will quickly teach you guys how to make a double puff sleeve. I'm making use of a damask material. I'll just go straight to the table and show you how to do that now. So now the first thing we are going to do is to cut our normal basic sleeve. This from this down part now I measured 5 inches. So now I'm going to curve to that point. That is the armhole curve on the sleeve. So now I'm going to measure around to get my circumference measurement. After marking out, I'm just going to notch a little bit just to demarcate that point. Then from here, I'm going to measure my bicep. Then on this other part, I'm going to measure my round sleeve. That is gonna be at the elbow level. Connect them together and you had 1 or 1.5 inch, same allowance. That is for the first part of the sleeve. So now the puff part is what I want to cut out now. I don't think it has a fixed measurement. No, depending on the size you want to make, like this one, the length of the fabric I'm making inches, I think. Yeah, 48 inches. 48 inches wide. Then the length 18 inches. 18 inches long. It's not constant. Don't get it wrong. You might want to do for a smaller size or maybe one that is even more bigger. So it depends. So all you need to do now is after cutting out like this, you are going to put elastic at the down part, the middle, and your run gathers at the upper part. So I'm doing this ironing now just to get the center of it, because I'm going to run elastic on that line. Yeah, elastic is going to be at the center on that line, then the down part. Then the way I'm going to attach to that sleeve, I'm going to run gathers on that part. I will show you how to do that now. So at the down part, I'm going to put my small elastic in. Then I'm just going to stitch from the beginning. I'm going to stitch this way. Then I will sew it all through. Make sure you are not sewing on the elastic, because if you sew on the elastic, you won't be able to draw it at the end of it. So after when you get to this point, all you need to do is try to draw the elastic rubber. You are going to draw it to your desired size. That won't be too slack on the sleeve, and it won't be too tight. So you're going to check that. So after when you might have done that, you now stitch again. I think that is the easiest way of putting an elastic rubber. So this is the mid part, the one I ironed the other time. So I'm going to place the elastic on it like this. Then I'll sew on it. But mind you, before you sew on it, you are going to draw the elastic. You're going to be drawing the elastic. You stretch it like this before you sew. You're going to stretch it. Stretch and sew on it. If you leave it without stretching it, it won't give you what you want. So you draw it, then you sew on it. If you look at it very well, you see that the cloth is gathering gradually. You are going to do that to the last part. Then you stitch at the end part. So after when you might have done the down part and the mid part, so now you are going to reduce the machine to gathers. You are going to put it together. Then you run the gathers at this upper part. Up to this last edge. So after you might have done that, the next thing you're going to do is try to draw the fabric. You have to be careful so that it won't cut off. You are going to draw it to your desired size. You are going to check your normal sleeve and make sure they are equal. The round sleeve parts, make sure they are equal. You try to arrange it and make sure they are equal this way. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to place this puff part on the normal sleeve. Then I'm going to sew it. We are going to sew it all through to the extreme head like this. So this is what you are going to have. We are already coming to the end of the tutorial. So now you are going to fold into two. Then you sew it following your round sleeve measurement and the biceps measurement to the armhole measurement all through like this. So you are going to weave it round. So after that, this is what you are going to have. You already have your double puff sleeve. Mind you, don't necessarily have to use the same measurement I use, depending on the size you want to make for. So this is what it's going to look like after I've done it. So you draw it and try to fold it on each other. This is what you are going to have. As you can see, it has come out nicely. Very beautiful. It's an easy stuff. You can easily do that yourself. It would have come out more better on a bigger hand. As you can see, I think I have a smaller hand. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in my next video.